Hello guys, this particular one now Wotowoto. Very dark man VDM versus Abike Dabiri. This particular one, very dark man don't come out in a different style for Abike Dabiri. I know all those hypocritical behavior character that some people want to do, take credit from where you did not sow. But I wouldn't like to spill everything out, but I want you to watch what very dark man have to say concerning Abike Dabiri.
Oh boy, sure people can see this foolish woman called Abike Dabiri. Yes, I will call her anything. Yeah, she's a clown, she's irresponsible. The fact say she laugh. The fact say she fit drop a laughing emoji about those children there Ivory Coast. I will never respect her again in my life. Now, look at what this clown of a woman decided to do. Is it not this same woman that said the traffic victim is not a business? Yesterday, she turned content creator. There's a video she posted yesterday about some traffic victim in Ghana. According to her, she has gone to rescue them, so she can't post them online as damage control. Abike Dabiri, you better blink twice if your office is being threatened. Maybe they don't threaten you with the position in your office. That's why you are doing all this. Do you understand? You thought when very dark man spoke, nothing will happen. Alan Oyema don't avail plane. 20 million have been donated. Do you understand? Move is being made. Arrests have been made. They don't make arrest of 2 traffickers. Now, you won't start to go to work for traffic victims. You won't go to bring children back. You don't turn content creator overnight. Who do you want to do damage control to? That is the Nigerians that you can deceive. You have already shown the kind of person you are. You are irresponsible. You are inhumane. You don't get character. You have done it before. For the people where they wonder why they vex. Abike Dabiri don't do this thing before 2022. Go and check her records. She talks anyhow. She talks anyhow for somebody that hold government position. They tell you say your children, Nigerian children, they for abroad. You they laugh. Small kids when no even reach 13 years. You are laughing. Say it's not your office. Because na very dark man post them. All the time when I don't call you for your office, what did you do? All of a sudden now it's not your office. You see why I call you a clown? You see why you are a joke? You see why you are foolish? That's what you are. Never, I will never respect you in this life. You don't deserve it. So all this damage control you are trying to do, I see all the minions and all the children where you send come. It like say you don't know where we stand. They send all they do mumu for Twitter. You don't know where we did. If they lie, may they contribute their voice 1 million times. If see, take it from me. If I talk A, you talk A, they cannot believe you over what I say. It is not pride. It is not pride. The road day, integrity stand. She say easy. Because it's this internet, me nobody feel come outside come to say I give her this one to talk like this. If the work they show, my only problem in this country is I'm too passionate for Nigeria. That's my only problem. And it don't cause enmity between me and some persons. Yesterday, some people that I respect, I understand. They say, oh, the way you're talking to Abike Dabiri. Omo, I can never respect Abike Dabiri. She is a clown. If she vex, may she go court. I have the right not to like anybody. I have the right not to like. Not just that, she was now even throwing subs to Napti. She was throwing subs to Napti. They laugh. Now you are going to do their job because Alan Oyema don't stand up. Because money don't start to the flow. You don't see say movement is being made. Solution is coming. Now you can go and bring children from Ghana. Can't you see that you are a foolish woman and a clown? Anybody that is angry with this post should do their worst. Should do their worst. Rubbish. You better stop all those damage control and leave those children. NAPTIP is working. And NAPTIP will go there to bring them. If you have an intel, drop it to NAPTIP. Your office is not functional. It is not functional. All those camouflage where they do, don't they expose, you don't they open. There are people in Libya. Go and bring them if you know your work. Stop deviating. Stop deviating. Leave NAPTIP job alone and go and pick those people in Libya. Bring them back. Don't go and be doing NAPTIP job. It is not your job. Abike Dabiri, it is not your job. Leave it for NAPTIP. It is not your job. Leave it for NAPTIP. Go and bring our people in Libya. Go and bring them back. We don't want to hear that anybody is in Libya. Block the roads. Work with the immigration. And the immigration people too, they are also clowns. They are also clowns. BTO, I respect you. You are doing your job. The Minister of Interior, you are doing well. But talk to your immigration people. You, I get your record, I know what you do, yes. So I know if you even open my mouth talk, you go be say I be idiot if I start to talk anyhow to you. Because I know your work, I know what you do. You have done a lot. So respect to you. But please, Egbon, you talk to your immigration people. Our borders are porous. No be say me they can't talk, we talk the matter, we can't leave them. Our children, they leave the country on a daily. No be only rice and contraband we now go they catch. They do passports. The borders are porous. Work on that. If the borders they very close, I'll go come to follow Abike Dabiri they talk at the Chris. Follow person who know they stable they talk. Say it's not your office. If to say I call out the Minister of Petroleum for that issue, Minister of Petroleum says supposed answer. If I call out the Minister of Health, he's supposed answer. If I call out any governor, he's supposed answer because those are his children. Say it's not your office and you were laughing. Not to pay me read that laughing emoji where she put. She said a joke, that they follow her the joke. Because you hold public office, more they fear you. More they fear, no be taxpayers' money you they chop. Leave that work, that's not your job. Leave it for NAPTIP, they are working and they will continue working. They are showing themselves. There's no funding. I will encourage the government to keep funding them. Government should give them the right funding so that they work. They are willing to work. They are ready to work. They are fast. They are swift. Leave their work for them and go and do your work. Bring those people from Libya. They are still in prison. I know how many times I don't tag you, you no answer. The first time when I go tag you to the one where if you say no be your work, you quickly talk so that you go ridicule me. Now you see that you are the joke. Rubbish. Better don't play, else you gotta learn and you will learn the hard way. Leave that camouflage and leave that damage control. Nonsense.
Now it's more. Be like say rain dey fall. The thing wey very dark man dey pour on top of Abike Dabiri head be like say rain dey fall. Yes, especially when you know your right, you know what you are doing, and you can stand by your words at any time. Why not? Why can't you speak? The era of no talk, don't talk. It's supposed to pass. Yes, our papa, our great father, our forefathers, all of them, they not fit talk. They say make we not still talk. Our time is also gradually going. We all are getting old. Not talk. You have to speak truth to power. Although the direct insult, now only that one, now me particularly not fit do. But nevertheless, what's your own take? Put it on the comment section. Let me hear from you. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that's affecting you and I. Take care and bye for now.